Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Today I am well excited. You know why? I'm going to show you guys this unique product that I discovered at last weekend's Faith United event in Luton. Now, what was different about this event is that it had local businesses. So people from Luton bring in their unique products and selling them and showcasing them. And these kind of products, I'm telling you, you won't get in the normal shops that you go down the road, right? Trust me, you have to really find these products. And I'm so glad that I actually managed to go and see it like, firsthand. Because a lot of these products you see online, but you don't really know what the quality is like. But when you actually feel it and see it being like sold and I can actually taste it or smell it or feel it, that's different, right? So this particular stall I'm going to talk to you about today, or show you the product about, is this one stall. As soon as I went in, it really caught my eye. And you know why? Because it was unique. So there was this brother, right? He had like loads of wooden items like rulers, wooden spoons, chopping boards and stuff like that. And what he was doing, he was using this kind of like heated pen, right? It must have been really hot because it actually burns into the wood. So he was literally designing whatever you want, names, images, calligraphy in Arabic, onto wood. Like he had a calligraphy on like pens, wooden pens, rulers. What else did he have? A chopping board. So he had this chopping board that had Ertugrul, Ertugrul from the show. And it was just standing there and there was an onion trying to get away on a chopping board. And it says, Haydarallah. And I was like, wow. You did that on purpose, didn't you? You knew I was coming, right? But yeah, mashallah, that was amazing. So what I wanted the brother to do is basically etch names of my son and his friends onto the rulers, because I thought to myself, right, we can do pens, people lose pens, and key rings, how many people carry key rings these days, right? You can display them like I have here in my room, but I thought to myself, a ruler children will use, it's something unique. I mean, they don't have to use it, they can put it in their pencil pot and it will look nice with their own name on it. So I said to the brother, I want some of this designed. But obviously he didn't carry many rulers with him because I wanted 20, I think, done. So he promised me that he would actually design them at home and send them out to me. So here we have it. The rulers are here. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm going to open this up and show you. And literally the brother, etched it so quick. I think I spoke to him in the morning, and by 12 o'clock midday, I think it was like actually 10 o'clock, it was done. So he's packaged it really nicely, mashallah. Wish I had a scissors. So let's just open that up. Right, so let's see inside. I know it seems really weird. I'm so excited I've ordered some rulers. But trust me, guys, when you see these rulers, you will be like, wow. There's quite a few of them in here. Here we go, guys. Check this, right? So these are straight away my bamboo ruler. Okay. So I'm just going to show you them one by one. So these are all my son's friends and a few relatives that will be coming to our house. Whoa, they're all falling down. So here we go, first one. Look at that, Adam. I don't want to open them up because they're all packaged. I can't wait to see them. But I saw them in the fair anyway, so I was like, wow, look at this. My daughter's name, Humaira. It's pretty cool, right? Serena, Mohammed, mashallah, Shireen. And you know what, it's so nice, so nice. Whoa, dear, they're all falling off my table. Samiha. Who's Samiha? I don't even know who Samiha is. Sabrina. Rehan, if you're watching this video, mate, there's one for you here. And this is my son's name, Ayan. MashaAllah. This is beautiful, guys. I'm really impressed. I love them so much, I don't want to give them away. But the brother does so many other products as well. Do definitely check him out on Instagram. I'll put a link down below. And trust me, they're well affordable. You'll be surprised how much they are. I don't want to quote the price because obviously the price might be higher or lower by the time you watch this video. but I got this very, very cheap. So well, thank you very much, brother. Do definitely follow his Instagram page, Ubayd. I'll put a link down below. And also, make sure you hit my subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family so they too can order some amazing gifts from Ubayd. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. MashaAllah, look at that. Ayan in Arabic. Wow, that is amazing.